In this video, we listed the top 5 best coffee maker that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. OXO Silver Burr Coffee Grinder. The OXO Silver Burr Coffee Grinder is a premium choice for coffee lovers who want consistent, flavorful grounds for every brew. Powered by a 100-watt motor, this grinder uses durable stainless steel conical burrs to deliver uniform grinding, helping preserve the natural aroma and taste of your coffee beans. It's 0.34 kilograms, 12 ounces. Bean hopper provides enough capacity for multiple servings, while the sleek silver finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen countertop. Measuring 7.5x, 5.3x, 12.9 inches, and weighing 4.5 pounds, it offers a sturdy, compact design that's easy to use every day. Backed by a 2-year warranty and trusted by thousands of customers, with a 3-star rating from over 23,000 reviews, the OXO Burr Coffee Grinder is consistently ranked among the best-selling Burr coffee grinders, making it an excellent option for anyone looking to enjoy quality coffee at home. Number 2. Shada Electric Burr Coffee Grinder. The Shada Electric Burr Coffee Grinder is a reliable and budget-friendly option for coffee enthusiasts who want fresh, consistent grounds at home. Equipped with a 150-watt motor, this corded electric grinder delivers efficient and even grinding for a variety of brewing methods. Its 8 5-ounce bean capacity makes it ideal for preparing multiple cups of coffee, while the compact design, 5x7x, 9.5 inches, fits comfortably on most kitchen countertops. Finished in a stylish glossy black color, the grinder combines a modern look with easy everyday operation. Weighing just 960 grams, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough for regular use. Backed by a 2-year manufacturer warranty and earning a 1-star rating from more than 5,400 customer reviews, the Shada Burr Coffee Grinder is consistently ranked among the top Burr grinders, making it a great choice for anyone seeking dependable performance and excellent value. Number 3. Krups F203 Electric Coffee and Spice Grinder. The Krups F203 Electric Coffee and Spice Grinder is a compact and powerful grinder designed for quick, efficient grinding of coffee beans, spices, herbs, and more. Featuring a 200-watt motor and durable stainless steel blades, it delivers fast, consistent results for freshly ground coffee and versatile kitchen use. With an 85-gram capacity, it's perfect for preparing enough coffee for multiple cups while maintaining a compact footprint. Measuring just 4.02x, 3.86x, 8.23 inches, and weighing 1.8 pounds, this lightweight grinder is easy to store and use in any kitchen. Its sleek black finish complements modern countertops, while the simple one-touch operation makes grinding effortless. Backed by a 1-year warranty and earning an impressive 4-star rating from more than 71,000 customer reviews, the Krups F203 remains one of the most popular and trusted electric coffee blade grinders for home use. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder. The Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder is a top-rated and affordable choice for anyone who enjoys freshly ground coffee at home. Powered by a 125-watt motor and equipped with durable stainless steel blades, it quickly grinds coffee beans, spices, herbs, and more with reliable performance. Its 5-ounce capacity can make enough grounds for up to 12 cups of coffee, making it ideal for both everyday use and family brewing. One of its standout features is the easy clean removable grinding chamber, allowing for quick filling, pouring, and hassle-free cleanup. Measuring just 3.74x, 3.54x, 7.13 inches, and weighing 1.3 pounds, this compact grinder fits easily on any kitchen countertop or in a cabinet. Finished in classic black, it blends well with any kitchen decor. Backed by a 1-year warranty and boasting an outstanding 4 5-star rating from more than 63,000 customer reviews, the Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder is the Hashone best-selling electric coffee blade grinder, offering exceptional value, convenience, and dependable performance. Number 5. Cuisinart Supreme Grind Automatic Burr Mill. The Cuisinart Supreme Grind Automatic Burr Mill DBM 8P1 is a popular Burr coffee grinder designed to deliver consistent, uniform grounds for a richer and more flavorful coffee experience. Featuring a powerful 500-watt motor and durable stainless steel burrs, it provides precise grinding for a wide range of brewing methods, from French press to espresso. Its 0.23 kilograms 8 ounces bean capacity is ideal for everyday home use, while the sleek stainless steel finish adds a modern, professional look to any kitchen. Measuring 7.13 x 6x, 10.75 inches and weighing 4.5 pounds, this grinder offers a sturdy yet compact design that's easy to use and store. Backed by a limited 18-month warranty and earning a 4 2-star rating from nearly 49,000 customer reviews, the Cuisinart Supreme Grind is consistently ranked as one of the best-selling Burr coffee grinders, making it an excellent choice for coffee lovers seeking reliable performance, convenience, and great value.